Today's video we're going to be working with
the UCTRONICS MicroSD extender for the Raspberry Pi 3B+.
So got our extender here, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Just going to take your Raspberry Pi and slide in the microSD slot. There you go. Then we just grab the tray, and what I do is just set it upside down, and we'll grab our screws, which are extremely tiny. And I'd recommend not tightening it all the way down until you get the second one all the way in there. So then we'll put the second one in. And put that nice and tight. And there we go. Now you just simply put your board on and line up the holes, and you just simply screw them down. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll put links in the comments for all the items that were used and the Amazon links, and that's that. Have a good one.